Okay, let's move on to part two. Describe a daily routine that you enjoy. Present tense. Yes.
Well, I have many routines in my daily life that I do regularly, such as taking baths, offering prayer, going for a walk, eating breakfast, playing, studying, and so on. But I think my regular activity that I like most is playing cricket because I'm a good player in cricket and I had watched a lot of cricket. Therefore, it's my favorite sport and my daily regular activity. I play cricket with my friends in my school's ground after dusk prayer. And I also play cricket with my neighbor friends, my class fellows, and the other boys that are closely related to me. I think it's my favorite daily routine because I have been playing cricket since my childhood and it's my favorite sport and I'm a good player in cricket also. I'm a batting all-rounder actually. Therefore I think it's my daily routine that I like the most.
Okay, overall fine, but you spoke for around 58 seconds, which is okay. Just try to drag it up to the time when examiner stops you. Okay, let's go on. Do you have the same routine or does your routine change according to the day?
Well, I actually have same routine during the weekdays, and at the weekend I didn't play cricket because I'm in Lahore during weekends. Therefore, I didn't play cricket.
Okay, do you enjoy your weekday routine or weekend routine?
I enjoy my weekdays routines because in weekdays routines I'm free, and weekends I had a lot of work. I have a lot of work that I do. Therefore, weekdays are my favorite days.
Okay, that's very good. Keep practicing and try to practice all these topics so that answers are readily available. It's good.